Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and if you are watching this for the first time, I suggest you go for class 1 and class 2 where you will get a detailed explanation of what we have done. And today's class we are going to be learning values 6, 7, 8 and 9. We learned 1 to 5 last class, and the previous class we have learned the parts of abacus and styling up with abacus. So you are going to be learning, if you go to those videos, you will learn how to hold your abacus, which hand you need to hold, which hand you need to hold your pencil and all that stuff. Okay, so now today we are going to be learning bigger numbers 6, 7, 8 and 9. So let's see how to get these values on our abacus. So let us go for number 6 first. When the 5 and 1 come together, as I said, the piggy bank has got 2 compartments. The lower compartment has got 4 beads where each bead has got value 1, and the top compartment has got only 1 bead which has got a value of 5. So whenever I want number 6, what I do is I take the top bead and the lower one bead. So both 5 and 1 gives me 6. Okay. Then for number 7, what I do is I take the top bead and the lower 2 beads. This gives me number 7. So again I draw a cross, and this is 5 and lower 1 bead. So both together 2 and 5 gives me 7. Then the next is number 8. So whenever the 5 and 3, I have the 5 and 3 beads from down touching each other, we get value number 8. And when we want number 9, 9 is the easiest one, because 5 and all 4 together will give me 9. 5 and all 4 together give me 9. So each bead has got value 1 and 5. Total it is 9. So let us again run through the values. My number 6 is 5 and 1. Number 7, 5 and 2. Number 8 is 5 and 3, and number 9 is 5 and 4. When nobody is touching this particular point, the value is 0. Nobody is touching that, the value is 0. So let's again run through the values. Last class we had learnt values 1 to 5. Today's are values 6 to 9 and also 0. So 6, how to draw 6? 5 and 1. 7 is 5 and 2. 8 is 5 and 3. And 9 is 5 and 4. And when nobody is touching, no beads are touching, the value is 0. So this is about the values right from 0 to 9. And from next class onwards, get excited, because we are going to be learning how to add and subtract together. So you will learn how to add as well as subtract together right from numbers 1 to 9. So see you for the next class.